So, you want to get the Phantom wallet up and running in your Chrome browser? I got you. Phantom is a popular crypto wallet, and many users in the USA find browser extensions super useful for managing digital assets. First, open your Google Chrome browser. Head over to the official Chrome web store. In the search bar, type Phantom and look for the official extension, making sure it is the correct one to avoid fakes. Click the Add to Chrome button, then confirm any permissions. Once added, you can pin the Phantom icon to your toolbar for easy access. Now click the Phantom icon. You will get options to create a new wallet or use an I already have a wallet option if you are importing. For a new wallet, create a strong password. Then Phantom will show you a secret recovery phrase. Write this down carefully and store it somewhere extremely safe and offline. Never share it. You will need to confirm this phrase. Once that's done, your Phantom wallet is set up in Chrome ready to use, and that's it.